Good morning students. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 9th subject computer chapter 3 elementary concepts of objects and classes. As in the last session we have discussed about modeling entities and what is an object. Modeling entities we have discussed about abstractions, that is to hide the complexity from the user, and object means real world entities or items that you see around like pen, book, cover, table, chair, light, and different items you can take like washing machine, microwave, oven, car, aeroplane. These are the different objects. Today we are going to discuss class the object factory, that is page number 33 and page number 34. Now, what do you mean by class the object factory? Class means we will take any item and object means we will create the number of objects of same type. See that the class is like a design and object is the implementation of that design. If we will take the example of a pencil, of a wooden pencil, that we have made the design of wooden pencil, that it is made of color and it is made of wood and having a lead. After that we can create a number of pencils of same type. Maybe the company is different, they are having different color, they are having different type of lead, thick or thin, but the design is same. So objects are depend upon what type of design we have given in a class. A single class can have infinite number of objects, means countless objects we can create after creating a class. So we can say that just like a factory is a source of object, a class is also called a source of objects. Hence, class is called an object factory. Means that once a class has been defined, we can create many objects belonging to that class. See the example. Firstly, we have created a class person. His attributes are its unique ID, its name, its age, city and gender. And what is the behavior of a person? The person will eat, study, sleep and play. After creating a class person, we can create number of objects belonging to a same class. Means first object we have created a man. The man is given a name, age, city and gender. And after that next object we have created like a women. We have given name, age, city and gender. Both objects having the same attributes, that are having a class and they are having the same function as it's in the class. So attributes are also called data members. Means when we will give the value to the attributes, they are called data members, and behaviors are called methods or functions. And these methods operate on data members to find out the result. Means after creating a class, we can create the number of objects that belong to a same class. That's why class is called an object factory. Students, see from the book now. Objects that share the same attributes and behaviors are grouped together into a class. Means we will make a class and we will group all the objects into a class. A class is a blueprint or a template for multiple objects with similar features. Means all objects are having similar features and may be regarded as a specifications for creating similar objects, and class is regarded as a design for creating the similar objects. Due to this reason, class is also called an object factory that produces multiple objects of same type. See the next example. If fruit is a class, then we can take the multiple fruits as an object like mango, apple, strawberry, watermelon. These all are the objects of the class fruit. And objects are also called an instance of a class. Instance means an example of the class. Now we will see the example. The mobile class in figure 3.1, 3.10 specify the attributes and behavior of the mobile in the abstract form. See mobile class blueprint. The attributes of mobile are model, IMSI, color, weight, camera pixels, mobile status, The behavior of mobile is dial number, start call, end call, and take picture. Now we have created two instances of the class mobile, that is mobile object 1 instance and mobile object 2 instance. The mobile instance 1 has given the state, that is model Samsung A6, that is the state that is given to attribute. Then IMSI number, color is white, weight is 152 gm, camera pixels, mobile status, behavior are all same that we have given in class. Again the mobile object 2, model, IMSI, color, weight, camera pixels, mobile status. This means that both instances are having different state, but they are sharing the same attributes and behavior that we have given in a class. So, see in figure 3.11, the attributes will become the member variables of a class when we will write in the form of program, and behavior will come the member methods. And member variables are also called data items, and member methods are also called functions that operate on data items. You can see from the example, member variables are called attributes also, and member methods are also called behavior. Now students, today we will discuss some key terms. First term is a class. A class is a blueprint or template for creating multiple objects. Next term is member variables. Member variables are the attributes that are represented through data items. Member methods. Next term, member methods are the behavior that is represented through methods or functions. So students, today we have discussed the topic class. The object factory means that class is a collection of objects of same kind, with page number 33 and page number 34. So students, revise the topic carefully, follow the examples, revise the terms. In the next session, we will continue with next pages. Till the time, thank you very much.